What's up guys, Speedsterz here. Today my dad got a Traxxas Slash.
Now we're going to take it out of the box. We're going to take it out of the box. Okay, that's the control.
First out, controller. It doesn't have TSM, Traxxas Stability Management.
I can't wait to get that in my hands and start driving this thing.
So there it is. It's actually pretty big.
It is big, much bigger than I thought.
To the Rustler, because we have the Rustler, and it's actually a lot bigger than the Rustler, because you can see this. Yeah, I didn't expect it to be that big of a difference in size.
Well, let's take this bad boy out. And it
Body.
pops off like that.
Nice and shiny.
That is gleaming. Look at that paint
Wow.
job. I really do.
Sticker.
I really do like the color scheme. This is the owner's manual.
Yeah, it has all this stuff. Okay, so there's this bag. I needed scissors to open it up, so yeah.
And here, the instruction manual.
These are just choices for batteries and chargers. And this, yeah, this is the manual. And this, another, yeah, it says what to do if your Traxxas model breaks.
Uh-oh. Don't break.
Okay, so it also comes with optional pinion and spur gears, which should make it fast, but I'm pretty sure those aren't good to drive off-road. And it also comes with a tool bag. It actually comes with a different type of wrench or something. Yeah, it comes with two different types of wrenches to take off the
There's
tires.
an
and stuff.
Allen wrench.
And an
Got
Allen
the good old
wrench.
Allen wrench.
3 different sizes of Allen wrench. And then these 2 things. These you could put on it to adjust the shocks. It could make it ride a little bit higher or lower.
Oh, I see. That's what
Yeah.
these are for.
Yeah, and it comes with 2 packs of them.
Okay.
And there's stickers too. Yeah, there's a bunch of stickers.
So I need a number.
Okay, so this thing, you could put it into the place where it holds the battery. Because like if you have a smaller battery, it will fill up that space. And it comes with a bag of extra body clips and little spacers that you could put on here so that the body isn't bouncing around on the body post. And screws and foam and stuff. So yeah, that's all that's in that bag. So let's move on to the car. So yeah.
Yeah, it's big and look at the tires. I like the tread on the tires. They look heavy duty. The real deal.
There's the XL5 ESC. There's the brushed motor in the back. It's a Titan 12T motor.
And what's the difference between brushed and brushless? This is a brush motor.
Yeah, this is brushed, which is worse and cheaper.
It's just a little slower and not quite as expensive.
And my Rustler's brushless.
It doesn't go 70 miles an hour like his Rustler.
Yeah. So this is the battery that we're gonna use for it. It could only do 2-cell though. So that's the thing you want to think about. So you have to use 2-cell batteries with it. If you use 3-cell, the ESC and motor will probably burn up.
So it has to be under 3. 2-cell.
So there's a body clip here that you pull off, and then you can take this off. I thought it would just slide. And then put that in there.
Okay.
But yeah, so we're gonna, or Dad's gonna go drive it outside now. Okay, so we're outside. Go ahead and turn the controller on first. Oh yeah, it's on, green light.
Batteries in there. It takes four
double
AA batteries. 4 AA for the control.
Okay, plugging it in.
Okay, here we go. Just kidding. Okay.
Okay, now hold the button.
The blue one? Okay.
Yep. Just hold onto it until the green light. And now it should be ready.
Ooh, it's moving.
Okay, now we go ahead and put on the body now.
Okay, so here's the body.
Yeah, there is the blue antenna.
Which
you have to think of whenever you put it on the body. It's just
oh yeah.
There's a hole.
Oh, there it's going through.
Then it goes. Yeah.
And then like so.
There.
Woo-hoo.
Ooh, look at that. Ooh. Holy cow!
Okay. Oh, it doesn't seem to have hurt my paint job much.
And the antenna fell off.
Yeah. This is fun.
Yeah.
Woo!
Okay, do a little speed run. Like, go full throttle right by us. See how fast it goes. Oh, into the curb again! Jeez. It's fine, it's fine. Okay, so we figured out a problem. The antenna should stick on there way easier. But it keeps falling off every time it crashes. Maybe we might have to like duct tape it on or something.
I gotta get the hang of the steering. I don't have the hang of the steering.
Is the trim bad?
No.
So it is the Ooh. Oh, so close to the curb. Oh, and again! That's the third time. Oh, the fourth! Oh, I missed it. Look at it go. Ooh. Whoa, again! Oh, the sun's really bad right there.
That's pretty durable.
Okay, so drive it in the grass.
Drive it in the grass?
Yeah. So is it hard to control in the grass? Normal? It's like you... you keep hitting stuff. Oh! And the Oh, darn it. So it doesn't have as much grip in the grass? Yeah, it's pretty cool. So guys, literally whenever we came inside from finishing the outro, I figured out how to keep the antenna on. I'll go ahead and show you. So it comes with this tool, and the bigger one, you want to like unscrew this blue piece and then pull it off. So here's the piece, and you get your antenna, and like you have to put this onto the antenna like that, and then you put this back over the main antenna. So now it's gonna look like this, and you have to kind of like just push this in. So once you push that in like all the way as much as you can, then you screw this back on with the tool that it came with, the big side down. You go like this. Okay, so this is what it will look like at the end, so back to the video.
That was pretty awesome.
Yeah.
Yeah, I still need some more practice in steering and controlling it because I hit the curb
a few times.
A few times, yes. So just remember, hit like and subscribe. We need 100 subscribers, right?
Yeah, we're so close. We're probably
So
there by
close.
the time we post this video.
He's close. Okay. Hee hee.
Hoo-ah!
Speedsterz out.